Hello, this is Stephen Whitfield with Drilling Contractor. Today I'll be speaking with Alex Edwards, Product Manager for Pore Pressure and Geomechanics Applications at Ikon Science, about Curate, the company's cloud-enabled knowledge management system designed in part to help optimize well planning and drilling activities. Dr. Edwards, thank you for joining me today.
Thank you.
So I'll start with this. Could you describe the Curate system for us? How does it operate?
Sure, that's a great question. Curate is, as you mentioned, is Ikon Science's latest cloud-based solution that allows all data and knowledge to be accessed from any location, from any compatible device. It was created to enable the energy industry to capitalize on the value of data, bringing workflows to that trusted data. The value being that all data are available to all users through all workflows. How does that actually work? Well, the Curate itself can be the data store, or it can connect to a variety of data stores through a series of APIs, web services, database connectors, application adapters, with the purpose to give all end users instant access to all of that data.
Ikon Science has touted Curate's impact on well planning and smarter drilling. Could you go into detail about this?
Sure. The well planning process really can be summarized by three main pillars of work, really. You have the planning of the well, whereby we are defining subsurface pore pressure and fracture gradient models, quantifying and communicating the uncertainty. You have the review stage that involves peer reviews and due diligence. And then you finally have the execution and monitoring of the well whilst drilling. Through that, all those processes, there are multiple programs involved in dealing with separate parts of the workflow. And put simply, not all that data can be accessed and easily communicated between multiple disciplinary teams. What we actually require is a planning tool that can contribute to the safety and cost effectiveness in design by making it easy to do the right thing and hard to make mistakes. So Curate itself helps build small workflow-focused applications that allow all data to be streamed, interpretations to be performed, and all historic data be compared for more informed decisions that result in ultimately safe and more cost-effective drilling. It's worthwhile pointing out that Ikon Science, we've been in this market for 20 years, creating digital solutions for the energy industry. And with that, we do know that democratizing data and information reduces the uncertainty surrounding wells. That will potentially save companies, certainly today, millions, if not tens of millions of dollars a year.
The Curate system is designed to be integrated with legacy databases and open industry standards, and Ikon Science has said that this capability can help companies realize greater efficiency gains. How is this the case?
A fantastic question. Basically, the biggest pain point for many operators, I think, is really where to start on this journey. I think all companies want to be more efficient and they want their staff to be more productive. But the question always comes down to exactly how you're going to go about doing that. I think there are various reports around the world that have been released. Certainly the McKinsey report has reported that 20 to 30% of personnel time is lost just looking for data. So what Curate actually does is connect and integrate with all of that data. And when I talk about data, I'm not just talking well logs and seismic data. It's all the miscellaneous data. So from a drilling perspective, it's all the drilling histories, pack-off, swab, surge. It could be the core data. Wherever that data exists, it's connected to through a series of APIs, interconnectors, to eliminate all that time saved searching for that data. I think one of the key things about it is it provides instant access to all of that data, and decisions can be made quick and efficiently with everybody involved, bridging that subsurface and operations drilling teams. So basically more accurate, faster, safer drilling decisions can be made.
Now, Curate has not been on the commercial market long, having launched in May, but are there any case studies demonstrating its viability in the field?
Yeah, so as you mentioned, Curate was launched on May the 24th to great success, really. It was the overall technology was created in response to many pain points in the industry, many subsurface pain points. And with that, many different well objectives and geological settings have been incorporated with that in mind. I'm specifically dealing here with the drilling side of things as we speak. It has been tested over several months, whether that's been within our internal service team that run these workflows on numerous occasions, or whether it's within specific companies, all of whom have experienced that Curate can add demonstrable value. Whether that's actually related to sort of data management, data accessibility, or through some very tailored workflows. And here I'm thinking really of the monitoring of the wells. So let's put that in some sort of metric context, rather than waste half a day's time trying to find data. I can access all of this within minutes within the Curate system. So when you consider the run cost of a rig, for example, an offshore rig could be up to $250,000 a day. Reducing that time down to minutes is a significant benefit to the industry.
Well, Dr. Edwards, thank you very much for speaking with me today and providing insight on this new system. It looks like it might be something that could provide great value to the industry, and we appreciate you taking the time.
Thank you, and thanks for the time.
And thank you for visiting Drilling Contractor.